Hello, everyone. In today's class, I'm going to elaborate the values of social work. But firstly, let's see what are values. What is the meaning of values? See, values are the basic and the fundamental beliefs. They are the prime motives or the ends which actually serves as a guide for human behavior. Values can be personal or cultural, and they always motivate persons' attitudes or actions. Values help a person to determine what is good, what is desirable or worthwhile, and even vice versa. There are a number of values being established in our societies like loyalty, independence, equality, justice, mutual cooperation, respect, and all these values are base are actually the base of the successful survival of any society. We can further say that values are socially approved desires and goals that are eternalized through the process of learning. That is, we learn these values in our lives through the process of socialization, through the process of conditioning and learning. And with times, it becomes our preferences, our aims, and our aspirations. We have already talked about the primary aim of social work is human welfare. And always remember the attainment of the aim of human welfare is only possible when the values of social work are applied in social work profession, or practically the values has to be applied so that the aim of social work, that is to spread human happiness, to bring peace and prosperity in the lives of the people and to help them to solve their problem, can be achieved. So let's move on and let's see what are the possible values of social work. So, firstly, to respect a person as he is and what are his opinions, his behavior, his attitude is very important. One must always remember that the dignity of a person is of prime importance. And in social work profession also, the social worker or the institution providing social work has to respect the person as he is. He even has to provide freedom to the person to develop his potentialities and his capabilities, to strengthen his inner self so that he can overcome his problems. Further, to fulfill the fundamental human needs of the people is another important value of social work. To maintain confidentiality of social work relationship is of prime importance. The person in trouble or in problem approaching a social worker always is of the feeling that who am I and what is my personality has to be maintained in terms of confidentiality with the social worker. It is important that the social worker maintains the confidence in his client. Further, to believe in social justice. Here, let's talk about what social justice is. Social justice actually tries to maintain a balance between individual and the society. We can say the other way around that social justice is focused on equal rights and providing equal status to all the people, irrespective of the caste, creed, age, or religion. That is the distribution of wealth, of opportunities. We can say there are different examples where we can say how social justice prevails in our society. That is by giving voting rights to people. People have right to talk about climate justice, about the healthcare system, about the hunger and food insecurity, and numerous examples are there. So, to believe in social justice is a pertinent value of social work. Next is to strengthen the interdependency among people. See, we all live in a society and we live with each other in relation to each other and with dependency on each other. And it's important because many of our needs, our aspirations, and our goals are being fulfilled by being a member of a society and not by living a life in isolation. And it's important that the people of the society together bear the responsibilities for their own problems and come up with the solution with the help of a social worker or with any particular organization where they want to seek the help. Next, we can see that another important value of social work is the non judgmental attitude of the social worker. Why? Because a person who is approaching a social worker always have a view that what I am, in that sense, I should be accepted by the social worker. So, without being partial or without being prejudiced, a social worker should not be judgmental, should not prefix any sort of thought or any sort of attitude towards the person who is coming to help. Social worker should accept him as he is, with his own nature, with his own personality. Moving on, self direction. Self direction means that the social worker should be self directive. That is, he should be self guided, making his own decisions and working in his own way with his knowledge, skills, and methods of working with the people. He should be able to create conditions for the betterment of his clients. Last but not the least, we can say that believe in freedom or independence and creating an atmosphere for social cooperation is another important values of social work. I would like to recapitulate that social work is a field which aims to help people to help themselves. And with the adherence to the basic values of social work, the aim of social welfare, the aim of human welfare is possible. And it can only be attained with the application of values of social work in social work profession. I think this small presentation makes the values of social work clear to all. Thank you.